I want to do a deal autopsy this morning. I just got a call from one of our Land Sharks community members, and basically he just told me he made $24,000. $24,000. This is huge. This is me life-changing for this gentleman. And I want to do the deal autopsy. So he broke it down for me on the phone. So he found a piece of land in Florida the seller no longer wanted. And why did they not want it? They bought it years ago, have been paying the taxes, and now it's time for them to pay the taxes again. So they were ready to get rid of it, went under contract. So our land shark got it under contract for exactly $12,000. That's what the seller's actually going to net. And then what he did was he found a buyer that was absolutely willing to take it off of his hands for $36,000 within like a week. So what he did was he got it under contract, and he took that contract to the title insurance company. They started the title insurance policy. They did a title search, and then he sold it to his cash buyer that had the cash in hand for $36,000. So this guy just pocketed $24,000 by finding a piece of unwanted land in Florida. That's where I'm at. I'm actually in Florida right now. And this is actually a piece of abandoned land. And sellers don't want this stuff. So this seller didn't want this land. And then one man's trash turns into another man's treasure. And then he finds that person that wants it, that has the cash ready to go and close very, very quickly. Guys, if you're looking to do something like this, I'm gonna just call him John. I'm not gonna put his name out. John with the Land Sharks reach out to me. Go to thelandsharks.com, schedule a call, because here's the thing. This is how I got out of the military. This is why I've got the free time to spend doing what we want to do. Like this weekend, we got a four-wheeler race. We're going out on Friday to race four-wheelers this weekend. Now, four-wheeler racing is the most expensive hobby I've ever had in my entire life, but it's fun. And I also often question, should we be doing this? But you know, at the end of the day, I found land investing, and that's what allowed me to get out of my 9-to-5 job. Maybe you don't want to quit your 9-to-5 job. Maybe you just want to stick with it and keep the great insurance plan, keep the retirement plan. You don't have to quit your job to do this, guys. I was able to do this working 13 hours a day as a brand new Army officer. I went from enlisted to commissioned, and I was working my butt off. I was still able to fit in my land deals. Now, I wish I'd have been making $24,000 pops in the very first land deals that I did, but come back on another video, I'll explain the first deal I ever did.